just gonna put some. Why doesn't anybody want me? No, it's not believable. Hold on. I just. Aha. I'm qualified. I have money. I have hair. I just got a good tear. Good. I'm just gonna. You know how like when you cry and you rub your eyes and the tears start falling? Yeah, that's good. I got a car. I don't have any kids. I'm a Christian. And let's get one in the corner right here. I really thought that would. Oh. Hello. Hey guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a quick, I don't know how quick it's going to be, but a little get ready with me. And I'm going to be talking to you guys about, you know, this thing that's going around. It's the holiday season and, you know. Just kidding. You know, everyone's booed up and I'm just kind of like, you know, I'm chilling. But it's okay. So I'm going to do a high puff. I just washed my hair. So I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner in there. And I have not done a high puff in so long. Well, not like the ways that I usually do it. Like lately I've just been not doing them right. So I bought a new thing of things because I lost all my other ones. Whatever. And I'm just going to keep it real with y'all for 1 second, okay? After I tell you this, if you want to unsubscribe, that's fine. If you want to, you know, be shady in the comments, I don't care. But I don't have time to be making flaxseed this morning. So I'm just going to use a little bit Eco Styler gel on the base of my hair, on this part, because I just don't have time. I just don't. So anyways, okay, so basically you guys, it is holiday season. You know what time it is. Everyone is either getting proposed to now or like are posting like pictures of ultrasounds like surprise baby coming in July 2019, Thompson's party of 3 or whatever it is. And you know, some of us single people are just, you know, here chilling. But I just want to encourage you guys, like, it's okay. Don't let nobody rush you into feeling like you're alone for the holidays, so you're this big fat ugly loser that nobody wants to be with. Because that's not true. So I know you guys are probably like, girl, shut up. Like, because this is not my first video of me talking about me being single or whatever. And this video really is not even about me. Like, I'm here to encourage you guys because I'm pretty much a professional at being alone for the holidays. So at this point, there's nothing anybody can say to even make me feel bad about it or whatever. Because like I said, for one, I'm used to it. And I'm very content at where I'm at right now. Now, don't get me wrong. If the Lord wants to just sprinkle my husband on this year's Christmas cake, I'm not going to complain. I won't be upset. But if he chooses not to, again, this year, I mean, what are you going to do about it? Like, it's just not bothering me. And for me, my family doesn't even really bother me about it anymore. I think they've all pretty much just given up on me. Just throw it in the towel. Like, girl, you're just going to be that cool aunt forever. And just maybe, I don't know. But for anybody else who is struggling with, you know, being single Sally, you know, I'm here for you, girl. I'm here to tell you it's gonna be all right. Just learn to guard your heart, and you can't let everything that people say affect you, because there is gonna be that auntie that is asking you like,
girl, when you gonna bring a man home for Christmas?
All right, hold on, y'all. I don't even remember how to really do these. All right, we're pulling it up at the back. And like so. And then I'm gonna flip it over. Okay, there we go. Bing, bang, boom. All right, so now I'm just gonna put some castor oil on my edges. But anyways, so it's so funny. I feel like this season is harder to be single for some people than it is to be single during like Valentine's Day. I think it's because like Valentine's Day is really just one day. Thanksgiving and like Christmas time, it's like a whole season. It's like 2 months of just people posting pictures by Christmas trees, and then people are getting their New Year's kiss at 12 o'clock and blah, blah, blah. You know, I've literally never, ever, ever had a New Year's kiss in my entire life. I mean, it's definitely overrated. Like, okay, wow, 12 o'clock kiss. And then it's like, okay, we could have did that at 11:15 and it would have felt the same. But I don't know, like those cliche things, like I've never really taken pictures by like fireworks and stuff like that for like 4th of July. You know, none of that stuff. So do I feel like I'm missing out? Like, not really. I have a lot of friends who are in relationships, And no shade, but a lot of my friends who are in relationships, I would never trade my singleness ever for the relationship that they're in. Ever. Like, I would rather 100% be single than be dealing with the type of relationships they're in. I'm sorry. And if you're watching this and you know who you are, I'm really sorry, girl. You know, I tell you that to your face anyway. So I'm just, you know. So yeah, don't let anyone rush you into being in an unhealthy relationship. People always ask me like, girl, why are you still single? And it's because these guys are trash. I have not met anyone who is ready or matured. And when I say ready, I don't even mean like financially. I just mean their mindset is not ready to take care of my heart. I'm not huge on being a 100% financially stable before I get married. I don't want to say I don't care about that, but it's not like my biggest thing. I'm so okay to struggle with my boo and like us get to the top together. I'm so okay with that. But I'm not okay with someone not being able to take care of my heart and my emotions because they haven't even gotten theirs together. Like, get yourself together before you include me in your mess. Like, I'm not about to play with y'all. Y'all better not get me started up in here because I'll be here all day. Alright, so like I was saying. So yeah, 'tis the season for people to start posting pictures of them and their, you know, their family in matching onesies and, you know, them and their boo making hot chocolate by the fireplace or wherever you live or whatever. And you know, this year it's just you. And that's cool. Don't even be mad about it because your time gonna come. And our time gonna come. And when it do, please believe I'm filling up everybody's timeline and feed with pictures of me and my boo. And I want to hear it because I was happy for you and I was double tapping your pictures when you was doing it. Return the favor. Oh, okay. I don't know. You just gotta take it to the chin. And at the same time, still be happy for people. Like, I realized that I was content for real, maybe like 2 weeks ago. For my puff, I'm using this Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. It's really sticky, so I know it's gonna work really well. The sunlight is really just going on and off, so I'm really sorry about that. So I knew that I was content and just kind of like chilling in my single season when I seen literally one of my friends got engaged. And I was legit like, I wasn't even tripping. Like, I used to literally, like, when I see that, my eyes would get all watery and I'd be like, when is it gonna be my turn, Jesus? But I was chilling. I was just like, oh my gosh, good for her. Like, that's amazing. And I'm not saying, I don't know how long that's gonna last because I have my days where sometimes I'm just like, oh my gosh, that's so great, you know, beautiful, pray for their relationship. And other days I'm like, all right now, Jesus. Hello, is everybody out there? Like, did you forget? I feel like it's just something that we need to really be intentional about, especially during this time. Really all the time, because people are going to be getting engaged throughout the year. It's just like the most popular time to propose. Just really guard your heart throughout this time of the year. If you can't take it, if you're not at that place of contentment yet, maybe, you know, stay off social media. Don't look up certain hashtags. I don't know. You know yourself the best. Do what's best for you. Figure out what you can handle. And then go from there. Like, don't drive yourself crazy. Don't drive yourself insane. Don't look for reasons to be upset or to be sad, because what is that going to do for you? That's right. Absolutely nothing. All it's going to do is make you doubt God or, you know, start questioning yourself like, oh my gosh, am I ugly? Or what is wrong with me? And I'm going to tell you, there ain't nothing wrong with you. The fact that God is making you wait, let me tell you. Y'all, don't make me preach. Y'all, don't make me preach today. Don't make me preach. If God is making you wait, they always say you're in good company, because there's a lot of people who had to wait a long time, and just know He's not going to make you wait so long and give you trash. So a lot of these people who are posting pictures with their boyfriends and a lot of people who are even saying yes to these engagements, and I hope I don't sound like a hater. I could be, but the fact of the matter is, a lot of them are not even in happy relationships. I'm not trying to be a hater or whatever. I'm not trying to say things to make you feel better, but don't be envying certain people's relationship when you have no idea what's really going on. You never know. This time next year, you are going to be one of the people posting those pictures. You could even be engaged next year. Like, things can change so quickly. You could meet the man of your dreams tomorrow. So just just vibe. But I just trust God that he knows the desires of my heart. He knows I want to have 100 kids one day, and he knows I want to be married, so he's not just going to be up there and be like, I'm not going to give you what you want. Maybe I just might not be ready, or maybe my husband just ain't ready. And I'll be mad, because if it's my husband's fault, or the reason why I'm still out here waiting, like, he needs to get it together. I don't know where he is or what he's doing, but you better be out there working on yourself right now and not taking pictures with some girl that you think you're going to marry, because I don't have time for your foolishness. Yes, you. If my husband is watching this, I'm talking to you. Don't play with me. Okay? But anyways, like, don't let this season of singleness drive you to go back to your ex, or, you know, one of your hoes or anything like that, because it's definitely tempting. And this is definitely the time of year where guys know who's still single and who's looking for a boo right now and who's vulnerable, and they're gonna send out those texts like those,
hey, you know what, just happy Thanksgiving, ain't seen you in a while, hope you're doing good. Tell the family I said hi.
I'm not telling my family anything. I'm not telling my family I said hi. The most you're getting is a you too, be blessed. Like, I'm not about to feed into that, so I can just feel fulfilled for a season, literally for a season, and then go back to being miserable because I'm like, oh my gosh, this is why I didn't work out. You know, just absolutely not. You're not gonna catch me doing that, and I don't want to catch y'all doing that either. Chances are, you're not the only girl who got that text either. He would just, you know, sometimes when you send out a whole bunch of texts or emails just to see who's gonna respond first, be careful with that. So I just want to show you my hair. Since the last time I did this, my hair has grown so much. They're like drooping and not like up the way I want it to, but it might change after it dries a little. So I'm gonna do a little bit more, because this is gonna take me like an hour to get my whole head done, and I'm only here. So I'm gonna be right back. Y'all, I'm starting to remember why I don't do these anymore. It's taking so long. This is what this half of my hair looks like, and this is the other half that I haven't started on yet. And I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, I just put my hair into a puff after like a wash and go and blah blah, but this is just what I'm deciding to do, so just leave me alone. Anyway, so another thing I just wanted to quickly say or touch on is your attitude during this season and your attitude while you're waiting. I read this verse the other day. So y'all know the story about Joseph and how like God gave him a dream about how he was gonna be like the king of like the whatever, like oh, I need to brush up on my Bible stories. God gave him a promise, you know, but in the meantime, before he got to that promise, he was going through some stuff, okay? And he didn't get to see the promise for years. I don't exactly remember how many years, but it was some years. And there was a verse that said, until the time came to fulfill his dreams, the Lord tested Joseph's character. You can take that how you want, but for me it's kind of saying like, okay, until you get what you want, how are you going to be acting in the meantime? Are you just going to be like, woe is me the whole time? Like,
I can't get no man. I don't got no kids. Everyone else is getting it before me and blah, blah, blah.
or are you going to rejoice with others who are rejoicing? So, like I said, we're going to continue to double tap these pictures of everyone else getting proposed to by the Christmas tree this year, because your time is going to come. May not be now, may not be tomorrow, may not be next Christmas either, but it's going to come eventually. I'm going to finish my hair and then come back with my final thoughts, because I pretty much said all I needed to say. I don't want to be a broken record, but I do want to get my hair finished because I have to go. So I will be back. Okay, so I'm all done. I'm just going to go ahead and shake my hair a little. Like I said, I haven't done this hairstyle in so long, so my hair is definitely a lot longer than it was when I did it last. But I'm hoping that when it dries, it definitely like gets more into like the puff thing and not like this weird mop on my head. Like, is this an actual ponytail now? Like, I don't know what to do with this hair on my head. Anyways, long story short, I hope this was somewhat encouraging or at least entertaining for any of my single ladies or men who are alone for the holidays. It's gonna be okay, you guys, I promise. We're gonna get through this. It's not the worst thing in the world. Be thankful for your family and your friends and the things that you do have. You have a job, you have your health, you have all your teeth. You're able to walk on your two legs, you can eat on your own. Like, there's things to be thankful for still. I'm not saying like, you know, you're not allowed to ever be sad about not having a mate or a spouse, because we were like made to love. Like, you know, if Adam never needed Eve, God would have never made her. You feel me? So I do feel like it is definitely 100% normal to want and yearn a relationship, But if you don't got it, you don't got it. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Just wait in high spirits. Just trust and believe that God will grant you the desires of your heart. And until then, just be a better you. Be happy for those around you who are getting what you want. And just thug it out. Take it to the chin. It's going to be okay. So anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.